I'm sorry. The pitiful children, except it's sung by a nerd. Me.
But they're all in pain. Operating systems obsolete. So let's complete the change and get inside those brains. Let's save the pitiful children. Oh, let's save the pitiful children. Oh, let's teach the pitiful children just having a clue just what to do. Help me to You see the vision clearly, Jeremy. Using and bracing and interfacing. People. Tiny happy people singing sweetly. Yeah, neither error and fear. If you talk away from me, just in that knob and see me back here. Let's save the pitiful children. Yeah, let's save the pitiful children. Yeah, let's save the pitiful children. Just having a clue just what to do. And soon this will be you. Sit on a chair. Save the pitiful children. Save the pitiful children. Save the pitiful children. We're having a clue. That's what we do. If that's what we do, then everything about us is going to be wonderful. We love everything about Swift. Everything about us is going to be so alive. We can never live without Swift. One left out or unsure. Not pitiful children anymore. 'Cause everything about us is going to be cool when we grow. See, that was really bad. You're welcome.